Hi, we continue again. At the end of this video, you should be able to D. Find the derivative of the combination of the functions using sum, product, quotient rule, and chain rule. Combination of derivative. The derivative of the combination of the functions using sum, product, quotient rules, and chain rule. For example, find dy dx if y equals to 2x squared plus 1 squared times 3x cubed plus 2x. Based on the function given, we need to solve the derivative of y by using product rule. First, we let u equals to 2x squared plus 1 squared and v equals to 3x cubed plus 2x. To find u prime, we need to use power rule. So it becomes 8x times 2x squared plus 1 and v prime equals to 9x squared plus 2. Next, we substitute into the product rule, which is dy dx equals to vu prime plus uv prime. We factorize it. The factor 2x squared plus 1. So that factor we multiply by 2x squared plus 1 times 9x squared plus 4 plus with 8x times 3x cubed plus 2x. So the answer is 2x squared plus 1 times 42x power of 4 plus 33x squared plus 4. Example 11. Differentiate of the following function with respect to x. A. Y equals to x cubed times square root of x squared plus 2. So to find dy dx, we need to use the product rule. First, we let u equals to x cubed, v equals to square root of x squared plus 2. So we find u prime, which is equals to 3x squared, and v prime equals to x times x squared plus 2 power of negative 1 over 2. Next step, we substitute into the product rule, which is vu prime plus uv prime. Next, we substitute into the product rule. Start with v u prime plus u and v prime. So from that, we can factorize x squared plus 2 power of negative 1 over 2. So that factor we multiply by x squared plus 2 times 3x squared plus x power of 4. Then we try to simplify it. So the answer is 4x power of 4 plus 6x squared over square root x squared plus 2. Next, B, we have y equals to x squared plus 4 cubed over 3x cubed plus 4. So to find the derivative of y, we need to use quotient rule. First, we let u equals to x squared plus 4 cubed, and to find u prime, we need to use power rule. So the answer is 6x times x squared plus 4 squared. Next is v. V equals to 3x cubed plus 4 and v prime equals to 9x squared. So we will substitute into the quotient rule, which is vu prime minus uv prime over v squared. Therefore, the dy dx equals to v times u prime minus u times v prime over v squared. So from that, we can factorize the factor x x squared plus 4 squared. So that factor we multiply by 3x cubed plus 4 times 6x minus x squared plus 4 times 9x squared over 3x cubed plus 4 squared. Next step, we expand that factor and try to simplify it. So the final answer becomes x squared plus 4 squared times 9x power of 4 minus 36x squared plus 24x over 3x cubed plus 4 squared. C. Y equals to 3x plus 2 over 2 minus x squared. So first, we need to separate the power, become 3x plus 2 squared over 2 minus x squared. So to find the derivative of y, we need to use quotient rule. So first we let u equals to 3x plus 2 squared and v equals to 2 minus x squared. So from that, to find u prime and v prime, we need to use power rule. So u prime equals to 6 times 3x plus 2 and v prime equals to negative 2 times 2 minus x. So we substitute into quotient rule, which is dy dx equals to vu prime minus uv prime over v squared. Therefore, dy dx equals to v times u prime minus u times v prime over v squared. So from that, we can factorize 2 minus x and 3x plus 2. So that third factor, we multiply by 2 minus x times 6 minus 3x plus 2 times negative 2 over 2 minus x power of 4. Next, we can simplify this factor. So becomes 3x plus 2 times 16 over 2 minus x cubed. End of combination of the derivative.